Good evening, everybody. I'm Pierre Roberge, the Daily Trader. It is November 15th, and we are going to take a look at Palantir stock from a technical analysis perspective. My goal in doing these videos is to help you understand how you can use technical analysis to make better trading and investing decisions. But I am not a financial advisor, so please do your own research and make your own decisions. Amen. So Palantir, yes, there's an amen for that too. So Palantir is up 58 cents, 2.54%. We close at 23.41. Post-market, we are down 4 cents, 23.37. That's not a lot. So let's look at what we have here. So post-earnings, we came down like crazy. Boom, like this. And the second candle also boom. And we had the stochastic hyper low. So I would not have been surprised that we could have even hit 21 bucks. But no, there was buying pressure here. Look at the wicks here, buying pressure, and more importantly, the stock did not go down that much. So now we had a support, we had the resistance at 23.13. I have two lines here. So we had a support at 23. We had a resistance at 23.13, and it has now become support. Sorry, let me just fix this. Okay. So we have been under 23.13 since November 10th, since last Wednesday. So we have been under this, and today we opened pretty much right where we closed on Friday, and now we are going up. We are just going up over 23.13. So right now we are, I would call it a congestion zone for now, between 23.13 and 23.74. This is where we're at. So we have a nice green candle, a little bit longer wick at the top. Let's look at the 1 hour chart. This is how it played out. So as I mentioned, I think last Friday and also on Sunday with my members, I was mentioning that on the 1 hour chart here, the stock, look at this, the stock was made 5 straight green candles, and also the stochastic was climbing slowly. So that told me that maybe there's something going on here. And effectively, this is what happened. So we gapped up. So we gapped up a little bit, went as high as 23.52 and broke 23.13. And as soon as we did this candle, stochastic on the 1 hour chart was at 75. So it meant that it was a right move. It was a significant move. Stochastic is over 60. I personally entered at that point. So I'm long Palantir since this morning. But I was watching it like a hawk because it could have fell down below 23.13. So I watched it like a hawk, and it maintained itself for the additional 2 hours, and then it started going back up even. So I think people's senses are coming back because Palantir is a great company and they had a great quarter. If we go back to the daily chart, so let's look at our indicators. So on the 1 hour chart, the indicators are looking good, but on the daily chart, things have not started to move that much yet. So we have stochastic at 25 and everything else is pretty much red. So the move we have on the 1 hour chart is a nice move. Let's hope that it's going to translate into a move on the daily chart and not just a little bit of peak on the hourly chart and then coming back down. So it's always possible that the move can do this. So it's always possible that we do this. The next thing I would check is 23.74. So if we break 23.74, then it would mean that the move is more significant, and then we should start seeing stochastic on the daily chart, maybe tomorrow or the day after, climb back over 60. When that will happen, then I will be a little bit more confident that, okay, the stock might be reversing for longer than just a few hours. So, because preferably we want Palantir to move up for days, weeks, and months. And right now, it's only on the 1 hour chart that we see a real move. So yes, we are above support here at 23.13. That's nice. But we need to see a stochastic climb back up to over 60. Let's just wait and be patient. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you for liking, commenting, subscribing. You can become a YouTube member. You can click on my TradingView affiliate link. I'm going to wish you a great evening. We are going to talk tomorrow, and I'm going to tell you à la prochaine.